Dear all, today we are going to learn some more new letters. This unit has 6 letters, 5 consonant and 1 pure consonant letter. Letters are Gha, Ba, Na, In, Nga and Nya. The first letter is Kha. While producing this sound, the back of tongue presses against the soft palate. The plosion takes place with the extra puff of air. Soft palate is raised to prevent the entry of air into the nasal cavity. This letter is produced as an aspirated form of Ka. This letter is common in Sanskrit loanwords. Example words are Khananam, Khani, Nakham, etc. Next letter is Ba. While producing this sound, the air current coming from the lungs stops by pressing the lower lip against the upper for a moment. Then release a plosion. No air comes through the nasal passage. It has to pronounce as Ba. Example word Balan. Let us go to the next letter. It is Na. In the production of this sound, the tongue tip is curled back touching the palate, thereby making a closure of the air passage. The soft palate is lowered, letting the air into the nasal passage. It is a nasal sound. Example words Panam, Panayam, etc. Next letter is In. It is a pure consonant one. There are 5 pure consonant letters in the language. 3 of them we studied earlier. This letter is also never followed by an inherent vowel. The base of the letter is consonant letter Na. To produce the sound, the tongue tip is curled back and it touches by making a complete closure of the air passage. Example words Koon, Toon, etc. Next letter is Nga. During the production of the sound, air passage is completely blocked by raising the back of the tongue to touch the front part of the soft palate. The soft palate is lowered so that the air can pass through the nose. The vocal cords vibrate. This letter occurs medially and finally. The single consonant form of this Nga is not so common in language, other than the case of split up method of writing. The next letter is Nya. When we produce this sound, the mid part of the tongue touches the hard palate, closing the airflow for a while. The soft palate is lowered and air comes through the nose. So, this letter has been included in Anunasika group of letters. Nga, Nya, Na, Na and Ma are the 5 Anunasika letters in the language. Let us go through the vowels and consonant letters which we till now studied. Vowel letters. A, I, U, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Consonant letters are Ka, Gha, Gha, Nga, Cha, Cha, Ja, Jha, Nya, Da, Dha, Na, Ta, Dha, Da, Dha, Na, Pa, Pha, ba, bha, ma. Ya, ra, va, sha, sa, ha, la, and last one ra. We have only 5 to 6 letters to complete the consonant group. Now let us see the consonant vowel combinations. K plus a, ka. K plus a, ka. K plus e, ki. K plus e, ki. K plus u, ku. K plus u, ku. K plus a, k. K plus a, k. K plus I, kai. K plus o, ko. K plus o, ko. K plus au, cow. K plus come. K plus aha, kaha. That's all today. Practice all letters. Thank you.